Hello students, today we are going to study lipids, various types of lipids, sterols. Sterols are steroid compounds which are containing alcohol group, C3 positions, cholesterol, ergosterol. Structure of sterol, it is given a peak keratin, lycopene. Next one structure we are going to study the triglycerides. Triglycerides are esters containing 3 molecules of one or more different fatty acids that are linked to the alcohol glycerol. Triglycerides are esters. See, first of all, you should know what is mean by ester. Ester, it is having a functional group RCOOH. RCOOH, which is containing 2 oxygen, 3 molecules of fatty acids, and it is reacted with one alcohol, that is a glycerol. CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. 3 long chain carboxylic acids, sometimes known as fatty acids, can react with the 3 alcohol groups when only one ester bond is formed. See, but these 3 alcohol groups are fused, that's why it is called as a glycerol. Okay, monoglycerides or monoglycerols are formed when the 2 carboxylic acid molecules react to form 2 ester linkage. A diglyceride or diacyl glycerol is formed when 3 carboxylic acid molecules react to form the 3 ester linkage. A triglycerol or triacyl glycerol is formed. It is a triglyceride when it gives the removal of 3 water molecule, it forms the triglyceride. The structure is given. See, 3 fatty acids plus 1 glycerol. 3 fatty acids plus 1 glycerol, it gives the triglycerides. It gives triglyceride. If this R chain, it is consisting of simple saturated chains, simple carbon-carbon chain, then it is a simple triglyceride. Okay, and if this triglyceride R dash, R2 dash, it is consisting of saturated chain or unsaturated chain when it is combined. R1, if R and R2s are R1 and R2, these are saturated chains, and R3 it is unsaturated chain, then this triglyceride, it is called as mixed triglyceride. Then it is called as mixed triglyceride. Okay, this is a triglyceride. Next is cholesterol. Cholesterol, it is consisting of what? It is a steroid. Cholesterol, it is a part of steroid. See, when we see the classification of these lipids, classification of lipids, in that third one part is derived lipid. From the derived lipid, it is a first example is steroids. Then in that steroid, one example is cholesterol. We are going to study this cholesterol now. Cholesterol, it is mainly consisting of steroid. Cholesterol primarily belongs to the group of compound known as steroids or sterols. Cholesterol is found in foods of animal origin and is absent in food of the plant origin. One of the major components of cell membrane is cholesterol, which is also a starting material for the synthesis of steroid hormones, estrogen, progesterone, corticosteroids, and androgens, vitamin D, and bile acids. Okay, next we are going to study the structure of these steroid. It is structure consisting of A, B, C, D. See, it is A, B, C, D. This A, B, C, D chains or A, B, C, D rings, which is having one A, B, C. See the properly numbering, which is starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 rings completed. Third ring 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, third ring completed. These 3 rings are A, B, C, 6 membered ring. Okay, and fourth one, it is 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, see, if you will observe properly, it is not containing any double bond, so the rings are saturated, so the name is given phenanthrene. Phenanthrene, ABC, it is a phenanthrene, and D, it is a cyclopentane, 5-membered ring, cyclopentane. So the name of this steroid skeleton, it is given as cyclopentano perhydro. Why it is a perhydro? Because it is not containing any double bond. So it is a perhydrophenanthrene ring. Okay, this is a main steroid nucleus, and when the steroid nucleus, which is having 18, 19 carbon, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 and 27, C27 and H45OH, it is called as steroid. See properly, when the number is given, in between 13 it is given 18, in between 10 it is given 19, on the upper position of 17 it is attachment is started, it is 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. C27, it is a cholesterol. Okay, next is the functions of cholesterol. Cholesterol is clinically significant due to the following reason. It is a constituent of cell membrane. It maintains the permeability of cell membrane by allowing the certain molecules to pass through the while retaining others. It synthesizes androgens and estrogens. It is also participate in the synthesis of cortisol, cortisterone, aldosterone and other hormones which are secreted by adrenal glands. It aids in the bile production. It converts the sunlight into vitamin D. It metabolizes the fat-soluble vitamins including vitamin A, D, E and K, and it insulates the nerve fiber. It converts mainly sunlight into vitamin D. Vitamin D synthesis in the presence of sunlight. Okay, this is all about the structure of triglycerides, structure of cholesterol and function of cholesterol. Okay, thank you students.